Welcome to the world of gardening. Today, we'll show you how to plant and grow beautiful roses in your home garden. Start by selecting a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil for your rose plants. Prepare the soil by loosening it with a garden fork or tiller, ensuring good aeration and drainage. Dig a hole twice as wide and deep as the rose's root ball. This will provide enough space for the roots to grow. Gently remove the rose plant from its container and place it in the hole, making sure it sits at the same level as it did before. Backfill the hole with soil, firming it gently around the roots to eliminate air pockets. Water the newly planted rose thoroughly, ensuring the soil is evenly moist. This will help the roots establish. Remember to water your roses regularly, especially during dry spells, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the rose plant to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Lastly, provide support for climbing roses by installing a trellis or tying them to a sturdy structure.